Now, the reason why I wanted to move swiftly on to Moriya is that she has got a fantastic giveaway. One thing I love about these rooms is that we give away some amazing things. And Moriya is going to announce a potential giveaway. So have a little think about how people can enter, Moriya. Have a think about what they can do. And then please just announce what you're going to give away. But also as well, before you do that, let us know, what do you like doing when you're not doing hospitality, doing work? What are your passions?
Okay, so well, I love to do, and I am doing a lot of things. First of all, I really enjoy to hear there's a lot of chess players in the crowd and among the speakers. I'm a chess player myself, and I'm not only a chess player. I'm a collector of chess boards from all over the world. So, as you know, probably. I like traveling, not only to be busy with vacation rentals, but also actually to go and to see them and to check them, but also to stay there. And I see myself and my family as digital nomads. So we traveling as a lifestyle, and we love it. I love to discover new places from Africa till Australia and Kenya, etc., and Europe, of course, and just little beautiful places in nature, not far from home. So traveling is definitely one of my passions. I like to meet the locals, to eat the local food, to have this kind of hidden experiences, and to knit it all together to just an unforgettable moments with my family. I don't have 15 kids, but I do have 7, which is already a lot.
That is already a lot.
Especially that they are mostly all traveling with us, going with us with all these experiences. And imagine what it is in 2020 Christmas time to spend 1.5 months with 7 kids in the Seychelles. It's it's crazy, crazy experiences. The range of the ages is somewhere between 7 and 19, so different. With some of them you're playing in the pool, and some of them you're going out for a drink at night, and it's a big organization, but I love it. Beside that, another thing that I mentioned yesterday, I'm a diver, open water, deep, going to 30-40 meters underwater. Love diving wherever I am in the world. It's like a different dimension, the closest different dimension that I know. And I like all kind of extreme sports, which is in the contrary of the chess playing, but that's it. That's what it is. And I'm playing the flute since I was a child. And music is a big part of my world. Jam sessions with friends around the world, dancing. So actually live life in all forms. And talking about that, one of my other passions and things that I like to do, I like to renovate old places and turn them to tell their new stories. And one of the most special properties that we have in our collection of Smiling House is actually a very old, 350 years old farmhouse. Beautiful, in the Swiss Alps. No neighbors, the closest neighbor is 3 kilometers away. Fascinating views of the Swiss Alps, and can host up to 25 people in 11 or 12 bedrooms. And we just launched a spa. A sauna that can fit 12 at once, with visibility to the Alps while you're staying there. And this is actually my giveaway. I would like to give, but it has to be something very, very unique that you asked them to do, Mark. Because I would like to give a night stay in this fascinating place in the Swiss Alps that can host a group up to, let's say, 14 people that will really enjoy the space in a good way. It can be a company, it can be one of you coming there with your team, or with your families, to unforgettable tranquility, beautiful experience in nature. which I see as pure luxury.
Having a blast, gonna get it on the Bruce Lee podcast. Bruce Lee like Bruce Lee, cause it's so hard and the T is loose leaf. Making up those rhymes, don't write it, just do it loosely.